Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Capital One Spark Business Card online. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Visit the Capital One website. Locate the sign in option on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Setup Online Access link. Click on Setup Online Access to begin the setup process. Enter your Capital One credit card number in the provided field. Fill in your last name as it appears on the card. Provide the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Follow the prompts to create a username and password. Make sure your password meets the specified security requirements. Once you've completed the account setup, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Activate Card option and select it. Enter the required information, including your card number and any other prompts. Review the activation details presented to you. Click on that Activate button to finalize the process. Your Capital One Spark Business Card is now activated. You can start using it for your business expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.